What's the meaning of abstractedly? Abstractedly. 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 The word abstractedly means in an absent-minded or preoccupied manner. It can be used to describe someone who is so lost in thought that they are not paying attention to what is going on around them. For example, you might say that someone is staring abstractedly out the window if they are so deep in thought that they don't even notice the world around them. Here are some examples of how the word abstractedly can be used in a sentence. She gazed abstractedly out the window, lost in thought. He paced the room abstractedly, his mind racing. The professor spoke abstractedly, his attention clearly elsewhere.